You want to unlock the secrets to wealth and success. Discover these 7 essential skills you need to master, and you will be on the fast lane to becoming rich. Hit that subscribe button for more life-changing tips, and let's dive in. Number 1. Entrepreneurial mindset. An entrepreneurial mindset is characterized by a willingness to take risks, a strong work ethic, creativity, and a determination to succeed. It is the ability to see opportunities where others see obstacles and to turn challenges into opportunities. So, how can you develop an entrepreneurial mindset? Here are some tips. 1. Read books and listen to podcasts by successful entrepreneurs. Some examples include The Lean Startup by Eric Ries, The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss, and How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. 2. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals. Join a local entrepreneur group or attend networking events. You can also find online communities such as Facebook groups or forums where you can connect with others who share your interests. 3. Take calculated risks. Being an entrepreneur means taking risks, but it's important to make sure those risks are calculated. Do your research and make informed decisions. 4. Learn from your failures. Failure is a part of the entrepreneurial journey, but it's important to learn from those failures and use them to improve. Take time to reflect on what went wrong and what you can do differently in the future. 5. Practice creativity. Entrepreneurs need to be creative problem solvers. Practice brainstorming and thinking outside the box. 6. Have a strong work ethic. Being an entrepreneur requires hard work and dedication. You need to be willing to put in long hours and work tirelessly towards your goals. Developing an entrepreneurial mindset takes time and effort, but it can pay off in the long run. It's a skill that can help you not only in business but in all areas of your life. Number 2. Networking skills. Networking is the art of building and maintaining relationships with people who can help you achieve your goals. Whether you're looking for new business opportunities, career growth, or financial advice, having a strong network can make all the difference. So, how can you develop your networking skills? Here are some tips. 1. Attend networking events. Look for events in your industry or community and attend them regularly. This is a great way to meet new people and build connections. 2. Follow up. After meeting someone at a networking event, be sure to follow up with them. Send them an email or connect with them on social media to keep the conversation going. 3. Be genuine. When building relationships, it's important to be authentic and genuine. People can tell when you're not being sincere, so focus on building real connections. 4. Give before you ask. Networking is not just about what others can do for you. Be sure to offer something of value before asking for anything in return. This could be as simple as sharing a helpful article or introducing someone to a valuable contact. 5. Use social media. Social media platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter can be powerful tools for building connections. Follow people in your industry and engage with their content to start a conversation. 6. Volunteer or join a professional organization. Volunteering or joining a professional organization can be a great way to meet new people and build your network. It also shows that you're committed to your industry and are willing to contribute. Remember, networking is a long-term game. Building meaningful relationships takes time and effort, but the payoff can be huge. Number 3. Sales skills. Sales skills are crucial if you want to be successful and wealthy. These skills can help you sell products or services, negotiate deals, and build relationships with customers. Here are some skills you need to develop if you want to be successful in sales. 1. Communication skills. Good communication skills are essential in sales. You need to be able to communicate your ideas and products effectively to your clients. This means being able to articulate your thoughts in a clear and concise manner. You should be able to adjust your communication style to fit your client's personality and needs. 2. Listening skills. Listening is as important as speaking in sales. You need to listen carefully to your client's needs and concerns to be able to address them effectively. This means paying attention to what they are saying, asking questions to clarify their needs, and showing empathy when needed. 3. Negotiation skills. Negotiation is a critical skill in sales. You need to be able to negotiate deals that are favorable to both you and your clients. This means being able to find common ground and create win-win situations. You should be able to understand your client's needs and concerns and be able to articulate how your product or service can address them effectively. 4. Relationship building skills. Building strong relationships with your clients is crucial in sales. You need to be able to establish trust and credibility with your clients. This means being reliable, honest, and transparent in your dealings with them. You should also be able to provide excellent customer service and follow up with your clients regularly. 5. Time management skills. Time management is important in sales. You need to be able to manage your time effectively to be able to meet your sales targets. This means prioritizing your tasks, managing your schedule, and delegating tasks when necessary. Number 4. Leadership skills. Leadership skills are crucial if you want to become rich, as they allow you to effectively manage teams and achieve your goals. Here are some key skills you need to develop. 1. Communication. The ability to communicate clearly and persuasively is essential for any leader. You need to be able to articulate your vision, give instructions, and provide feedback effectively. You also need to be a good listener, as this helps you understand your team's concerns and ideas. Brands like Toastmasters or Dale Carnegie can offer training and development in this area. 2. Decision making. As a leader, you'll need to make tough decisions that can affect your team and organization. You need to be able to weigh the pros and cons of different options and make informed choices. Some effective techniques include SWOT analysis or the 6 thinking hats model. 3. Emotional intelligence. The ability to understand and manage your emotions and those of others is essential for effective leadership. Being aware of your own emotions helps you manage stress and make better decisions, while understanding the emotions of others helps you build strong relationships with your team. Books like Emotional Intelligence 2.0 by Travis Bradberry and Gene Greaves can be a great resource to start. 4. Time management. Good leaders know how to prioritize tasks and manage their time effectively. This involves setting goals, delegating tasks, and avoiding distractions. Tools like the Eisenhower Matrix or Pomodoro technique can help in achieving efficient time management. 5. Strategic thinking. Leaders must have the ability to think beyond the present and plan for the future. Strategic thinking involves analyzing the market, understanding your competition, and identifying opportunities for growth. A great example of this is Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos and his long-term vision of dominating the e-commerce market. Number 5. Problem-solving skills. Problem-solving skills are essential in every aspect of life, and they are particularly valuable in business and entrepreneurship. The ability to identify and solve problems is what sets successful entrepreneurs apart from those who struggle to make ends meet. Problem-solving skills are vital for anyone who wants to become wealthy. Here are a few reasons why. 1. Identify opportunities. A problem is just an opportunity in disguise. When you develop problem-solving skills, you're better able to identify opportunities that others might miss. These opportunities can lead to significant financial gains. 2. Overcome obstacles. No matter how well you plan, obstacles will inevitably arise. When you have strong problem-solving skills, you're better equipped to overcome these obstacles and keep moving forward. 3. Innovate. Innovation is essential for success in business. When you're able to solve problems creatively, you're better able to develop innovative products and services that can set you apart from the competition. 4. Save time and money. When you're able to solve problems quickly and efficiently, you can save time and money. This can lead to increased profits and more opportunities for growth. How to develop problem-solving skills. 1. Practice critical thinking. Critical thinking is the foundation of problem solving. By honing your critical thinking skills, you'll be better able to analyze problems and come up with creative solutions. Take courses like Coursera Think Again, How to Reason and Argue to help you improve your critical thinking skills. 2. Read widely. Reading widely exposes you to different perspectives and ways of thinking. This can help you develop a broader understanding of the world and the problems you might face in business. 3. Practice problem solving. The more you practice problem solving, the better you'll become. Take on challenges and try to find creative solutions to problems you encounter in your personal and professional life. 4. Learn from others. Surround yourself with people who are good problem solvers. You can learn a lot from their approaches to problem solving and apply these techniques to your own work. Examples of brands that value problem solving skills. Google. Google's interview process is notoriously challenging, with a heavy emphasis on problem solving skills. They are looking for candidates who can solve complex problems in creative ways. Tesla. Tesla is at the forefront of innovation in the automotive industry. They value problem-solving skills and are looking for employees who can help them overcome the challenges of developing electric vehicles. Apple. Apple is known for its innovative products and services. They are looking for employees who can help them develop new products and solve the problems that come with launching them. Number 6. Continuous learning. In today's rapidly changing world, it is essential to keep up with the latest trends and technologies to stay ahead of the game. Continuous learning means constantly seeking new knowledge and skills, both inside and outside of your field of expertise. It involves taking courses, attending seminars and conferences, reading books and articles, and staying up to date with industry news and developments. Continuous learning is crucial for a variety of reasons. Firstly, it helps you to stay relevant in your industry and maintain a competitive edge. For example, if you work in the technology industry, it's essential to keep up with the latest programming languages and tools to stay ahead of your competitors. Secondly, continuous learning can lead to new opportunities and career advancement. If you demonstrate a willingness to learn and develop new skills, you are more likely to be considered for promotions and leadership roles. Thirdly, continuous learning can also help you to become more innovative and entrepreneurial. By learning about new technologies and trends, you may identify new business opportunities and ways to improve your existing products or services. Number 7. Financial literacy. Financial literacy is the ability to understand and manage your money effectively. It involves learning about topics like budgeting, investing, debt management, and financial planning. By developing these skills, you can make informed financial decisions that can help you grow your wealth over time. So why is financial literacy so important? Well, it enables you to make informed decisions about your money. This knowledge can help you choose the right financial products and services that suit your needs, goals, and risk tolerance. Financial literacy also helps you develop good money habits. You can develop your financial literacy skills by reading books like Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki and The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. You can enroll in online courses that teach financial literacy skills. Some examples include Udemy, Coursera, and Khan Academy. You can also seek the services of a financial advisor who can help you create a financial plan, manage your investments, and make informed financial decisions. And there you have it, folks. By mastering these 7 essential skills, you're well on your way to achieving financial success and becoming rich. Remember, it's all about dedication, persistence, and continued learning. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also on their journey to wealth. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more valuable tips and strategies to help you reach your financial goals. Leave a comment below and let us know which skill you're most excited to develop. Thanks for watching, and here's to your future success.